Welcome to the Elon Musk Signal channel. Are you curious about where those giant Starship spacecraft are made? Until now, what we knew about that place was limited to the exterior. However, recently Elon Musk had an exclusive interview on the Everyday Astronaut YouTube channel. Thanks to that, we got our first look inside Starfactory, revealing astonishing innovations. In video, Elon Musk personally introduced everyone to the interior space of Starfactory, unveiling the incredible capabilities of this new system. It's the most inspiring rocket production site in the world, surpassing the complexity and standards of conventional vehicles or products. Are you ready to explore? Let's start right now. In the past, mass rocket production was considered impossible due to its complexity, but now SpaceX is ready to conquer new heights. Inspired by Tesla's Gigafactory, Starfactory is set to revolutionize rocket production. Starfactory is a large space, embodying modernity and minimalism in SpaceX's distinctive style. Though not fully completed, the overall structure remains impressively beautiful. With its flat roof design, Starfactory even appears taller than the old production tents that were 18 meters high, emphasizing its grandeur. During the tour of Starfactory, we will encounter many interesting scenes, notably the nose cones of Starship covered in a black coating with small dots, indicating they are still in production, possibly adjusting thermal shield fittings. SpaceX has announced a transition from producing Starship version 1 to version 2 this year, so these nose cones could be for the first V2 prototype. Inside the factory, we also find numerous barrel-shaped compartments, likely parts of the new Starship version. These compartments resemble what is seen outside Starfactory, suggesting components for the next prototype are being assembled. Additionally, the main oxidizer tank of Starship is prominently displayed on a giant rack. You might be wondering when this system will become operational. Elon Musk addressed this burning question, revealing that the SpaceX team is currently finishing both the exterior and interior structures. They need about 3 more months to fully equip all systems. Given it's the end of June, this means Starfactory could be operational by October. But that's just the beginning. According to Musk, Starfactory has the potential to expand southward within the production area, creating more space for their advanced production systems. Currently, the latest phase of the factory is under construction and will soon be operational. This summer, Starfactory will explode with the addition of hundreds of thousands of square feet, promising a vast production space. Everything is moving at breakneck speed, especially with the emergence of new prototype parts. Let's explore the advantages of Starfactory together. First, this new system provides a large space. The total estimated area of Starfactory will reach 60,000 square meters with a height of 18 meters. The flat roof structure optimizes the interior workspace. Second, Starfactory is a sealed structure, ensuring work inside is not affected by weather, mud, or animals, completely different from the open structure of old production tents, helping to keep the production environment clean. The most important innovation of Starfactory is its seamless structure. Unlike separate tent systems in the past, where each tent served a separate stage, engine tent, main body tent, nose cone tent, Starfactory integrates all into a unified block. This eliminates the need to move between structures, simplifying production steps and significantly increasing efficiency. Musk provided more detailed information on this transformation. He explained that a continuous production line will create a smooth workflow rhythm. Stages will be arranged in a linear assembly line model with multiple stations on each line. While the new system removes separation between steps, specialization remains high. Each station will focus on its specific task, but steps will seamlessly move from one station to another with equal workloads and execution times. Thanks to this continuous flow, issues can be identified and addressed immediately, completely eliminating delays caused by moving between separate structures. The innovative design of Starfactory promises to revolutionize production, making the process more efficient and flexible than ever before. In addition, Elon Musk shared some astonishing production capacity figures, particularly focusing on Starship. He revealed SpaceX's initial goal of producing a spacecraft in just 3 days, equivalent to over 100 spacecraft per year. While Elon didn't specify super heavy, its production speed could match or even exceed that of Starship. Musk has mentioned ambitions to produce up to 300 super heavy boosters annually, but his latest revelation is even more astounding. Long-term, we may produce up to 1,000 spacecraft per year. This translates to a production rate skyrocketing from completing one spacecraft every 3 days to 3 spacecraft per day. This truly seems incredible given the time NASA, Blue Origin, or ULA require to develop a complete prototype of SLS, New Glenn, or Vulcan, often spanning many years. Not only is hardware production being improved, but engine production is also set to soar. Currently, SpaceX is producing one Raptor engine per day. However, Elon Musk aims to manufacture even more engines, as the new Starship version will use up to 35 engines on the Super Heavy booster and 9 engines on the spacecraft's main body. Testing for this version will commence in McGregor very soon. Many predictions suggest this new version could be the Raptor 3. Increasing production rates will play a crucial role as rocket launch frequencies rise significantly, possibly reaching thousands of launches per year to support Mars colonization, and the next iteration of the Raptor engine is truly a breakthrough in enhancing production. The new engine's advantages lie in its simpler design, facilitating faster and more reliable manufacturing. Combined with Starfactory's continuous production and automation systems, we can fully trust Elon Musk's disclosed astonishing engine production speed. Earlier, Elon Musk also revealed that 6 prototypes of Starship version 2 will be produced this year. This is a bold yet achievable challenge to test Starfactory's capabilities. The process has already begun as the first components of the new prototype appear inside the factory. Currently, there's only half a year left to produce 6 Starship prototypes. Will this ambitious goal become reality? Let's wait and see together. Right now, we are witnessing dramatic changes in the Starship system. Alongside constructing new launch towers and testing systems, the production line is also undergoing significant upgrades. Starfactory is not just a modern architectural feat but also a testament to Elon Musk and SpaceX's far-reaching vision and fierce ambition to conquer space. It serves as a launchpad for breakthrough innovations and continuous advancements, pushing the aerospace industry to new heights. With relentless effort and unlimited creativity, Starfactory promises to continue making groundbreaking strides in rocket production, ushering in a new era for space travel. And those are the notable highlights from today's broadcast. Thank you for tuning in. Please leave your comments on this episode, and stay tuned for more exciting events in upcoming episodes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch interesting videos on the Elon Musk Signal channel. Goodbye and see you again.